balloon is moving up in air vertically above a point A on the ground. When it is at a height h1, a girl standing at a distance d, point D from A, sees it at an angle 45 degree with respect to the vertical. When the balloon climbs up further height h2, it is seen at an angle 60 degree with respect to the vertical. If the girl goes further by a distance 2.464 d, then the height h2 is in triangle ABD tan 45 degree is equal to h1 upon d, or 1 is equal to h1 upon d, or h1 is equal to d. In triangle ACE, tan 30 is equal to h1 plus h2 upon d plus 2.464d. Tan 30 is 0.5774. h1 is equal to d, so 0.5774 is equal to d plus h2 upon 3.464d. So d plus h2 is equal to 0.5774 into 3.464 into d, or h2 is equal to 2.000136 d minus d, which is roughly 2d minus d, which is equal to d. So the correct answer is option 2.